Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, we're bringing back our favorite series, 5 homes under $20 million. And now all the homes in today's video will be from the Kingston and St. Andrew area, as I know that's a tough place to really find affordable homes. Now guys, remember, all the information for these homes will be in the links in the description box. So if you want to contact the realtors, if you want to buy these homes, link in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. So the first home I want to show you is the Brant Pathway home, and this is in Kingston 11. Now this home is priced at 8.7 million Jamaican dollars, and it's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. Now with this home, I can tell that, not much has to be done, right? The owners seem to have kept it, modern, updated. Everything seems to be in good condition so far. Of course, you have to go in, do your viewing, take a contractor along maybe just to do some analysis. But so far it's looking good. You just would have to, personalize it to your own touch, to your own liking. So this is a good one here that seems to not require as much work, right? So it's good to only have a few costs building up. So the buying costs, closing costs, and not much maintenance or repair work costs for this one. So yeah, this is the first home. Link in the description if you're interested. The next home I want to show you guys is this home in Bull Bay, St. Andrew, and it's listed for 10 million Jamaican dollars. Now this home sits on an 865 square foot lot, and it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. It also boasts a nice ocean view. Now this home is a townhouse, 2-story townhouse. It's a fixer-upper, and it's described as having a nice garden area at the back. Now if you know anything about the Bull Bay area, it is in close proximity to Harbour View, where you have quite a few shopping centers, restaurants, different amenities that you will need. It's also close to the Norman Manley International Airport, Port Royal, where you have schools, and also with the new St. Thomas Highway, it gives a lot of opportunity for persons who maybe worried about the travel, or persons who want to travel to country frequently back to Kingston. Just gives it a nice ease of travel. So yeah, this one is in Bull Bay, and I spent some time in the Bull Bay area on one little Airbnb trip. I must have spent time there, but yeah, I liked it there. The ocean views to die for, the sea view I should say. Really nice place to get away from the hustle and bustle in Kingston. So this is that one here in Bull Bay, again listed for $10 million. So you do have some work that would have to be done on this house, but if you are interested, all the links will be in the description box below. And guys, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you know when I upload first. I didn't want to show you guys only fixer-upper homes. I know there are many persons in the market for new builds, so that's what we have here. Now this home on Queensbury Drive is listed for 18 million Jamaican dollars, and it's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Actually, it's a studio apartment. It's going to be classified as 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Now I like how this apartment looks. It's pretty much open concept, nice open, lots of natural light coming in. As I said, it's a new construction, new build, so there's nothing for you to do. Move in ready, nice, perfect. If you just want to move in, get something straight ahead, this is for you. This would be suitable for a young professional, someone who's buying their home for the first time, or even someone who may want to buy this and then rent it out and charge these hefty Kingston rental prices. But here it is. The complex features a standby generator, water storage, and 24-hour security. I do like the kitchen and the cabinetry. Wish there was more, for our $18 million, but it's really nice. That seems to be Is that granite? We can't really tell. You can never tell. But the apartments, with it being a studio, I do see some, storage area available. So pretty decent. The room is not the largest, of course. The bedroom area is not the largest, but it's a start. So if you're interested in a new build, oh, and also it's 556 square feet. So that's just to give you an idea. So there it is. That's what you get, your nice studio apartment. I like, you have a little balcony, can step away from, the studio, with it being, a studio and so small. It's nice to have a little balcony. You can just escape and, step out, get some air. So that's that. Let's take a look at this home in Manley Meadows. Now this house is listed for 17.5 million Jamaican dollars, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-story house. This home would be a great one for a family, and the lot size is 633 square feet. The house is grilled. You seem to have a nice little patio area, and it has ceramic tiles. Now when you're looking at these homes that they have the owner's furniture and decor, you need to train your brain to almost, in a sense, eliminate those things from the view of the house and just try to look at the structure or what the house would look like bare. So in the kitchen you do have some built-ins right there already. Probably you'd want to get rid of that tile on the wall, put in your own backsplash. So you just have to think about the home in a way that how it would be personalized to your touch, or think about it in a blank slate, because at the end of the day, when this house is sold to you, it will be sold empty, right? So do not let anything here that you're seeing, colors, furniture, anything, deter you, I should say, from jumping on an opportunity like this. So you have to train your mind when you're shopping for homes to just eliminate everything that you're seeing and just try to figure out the house as a blank slate, what it would look like. Here's a decent sized bathroom with cabinetry and all of that. You do have a little patio area on the outside. So if you're interested in this one, link in the description box. Now my friends, this is the last apartment I have to show you today, and this one is in a great location on Constant Spring Road. It is 19 million Jamaican dollars. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and the size of the apartment is 750 square feet. Now if you know anything about Constant Spring Road, you are literally located to everything you could possibly need: banks, schools, supermarkets, hardware stores, furniture stores, very conveniently located restaurants. Everything that you could need is on Constant Spring Road. I am telling you, I've lived on Constant Spring Road and I duly enjoyed it. However, with these apartments located along Constant Spring Road, the only issue that I had was the sound from the traffic. So I'm not exactly sure how close proximity this apartment is to the road, but I can tell you that it can be a bit frustrating with the noise level coming from that busy road. But again, with the location, this one is going to be probably a really quick sell, and the apartment complex has electric gates, an external laundry room, and the maintenance is only $10,500, and that is inclusive of water. So here's that one for you, Constant Spring Road, $19 million. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and always tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload a video first. Also share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.